Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Bratislava staying at Patio Hostels. They have kindly gifted me my stay for whilst I am here, and my Bratislava trip is coming to an end. I have my last night tonight, and so I just thought I'd show you around the hostel and show you all the amazing perks that Patio Hostels has so that when you come to Bratislava you can book with them. So this is room 12. They obviously have like bunk beds just like normal. They have lockers here which you can access with the keys that you have to access the room, which is really good. This is how much luggage space you have, but they do have other luggage storage if you need it. This also came with a table, chairs, bins, and everything that you could need. They provide bedding for you. I've also been given a towel, which is really nice. Up here they have obviously a charging point and this table with all my stuff on it again. They don't have a reading light, but to be honest, I just use my phone light when I come in. So this room is not an ensuite, but the toilets are literally just out here. So these are the bathrooms, and literally you just go in, here's the toilet, and then you just have a mirror and a sink, bin, everything that you can possibly need in here. The keys are like literal keys, and then you get given your room number here and then your bed number here, and you get a little card that you can put in for your bunk bed just here. And there's radiator. It's very warm in here. You can open the window. Obviously you haven't got the best view in the entire world, but you know what, it's been a great hostel room, so I cannot complain. So just downstairs there's a patio garden where everyone can come out and obviously drink in the summer. It's probably too cold to do that right now, but they have so much space. It's open. Up there it says 7 a.m. to 10 p.m, which means that when you're sleeping it's actually super quiet and you can't hear any of the music. So the bar and everything is down here, which is really helpful, but that opens at 5, so I'll have to show you after. But there's a common room in here which is really good. Corridor, there's a laundry room, a luggage room, and a kitchen. The laundry room is free to use. You just need to provide your own pods, which is super helpful. And look, they even have dryers. This is so good. Then here is a luggage room. This room is huge, and you can store literally whatever you want there. You get the key from reception and they look after your luggage for you. And then in here is a full kitchen. So on the first floor there is also a little kitchen as well, which is super helpful. They also have these little tags up here, which is really cool, so you can put your name, check-in date, and then so when you put your stuff in the fridge, that's mine, then hopefully people won't eat it, but I think somebody may have eaten my pizza under that, but yeah. Anyways, so in terms of events, the hostel runs events every single night, which is super amazing, and it's normally down in the bar area. Every single night here we've actually had such fun nights, and everyone is so like down to just like have fun and just do stuff, and I've met so many incredible people here. Everyone is just incredibly friendly and lovely. A special shout out to Hassan, who is the events manager. He has honestly made my time here so enjoyable in terms of the social aspect. It's been incredible. The events he's run every single night have just been so much fun. We've done beer pong, we've done card games, we've done drinks, and he's also really kindly given me quite a few drinks, which I really appreciate. But also the drinks downstairs at the bar are actually so cheap. You can literally get a pint of beer for like €2. Brilliant if you ask me. So all in all, I would say that Patio Hostel has exceeded my expectations. It has actually been an incredible hostel to stay at. The location is actually also really good. It's probably like a 10-minute walk into the center, like right into the old town center. It is opposite a tram station, which is really great, and it has really great links to the airport, so that's very helpful. And it's also very easy to get to the train and the bus station from here. So if you're wondering where to stay for your time in Bratislava, then I do highly recommend Patio Hostel. I want to thank the team and everyone who's made my stay incredible here. I have had an insane time. If you have any questions about this hostel, then let me know, leave them down in the comments and I will get back to them. Until next time guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye!